opening the dress. This is the intimate moment. This is called a peeping caddis, and obviously it's a very ugly version of a peeping caddis, but I tied it as buggy as this because carp seems to like very buggy fly. It'll ride with a bead down, so it'll ride hook point up. Very cool little fly. Creates so much ripple you can't really see into the water. The wind is utterly shit, that's what it is. There's a fish there. No! He sped up. The fly was stripping in front of him. He just sped up and ate it when I said it was out. He probably just pulled it in and blew it out before I even set. There's carp everywhere. But we're struggling to catch them. Okay, that's a nice fish. I lost him and I netted him. How cool was that? Well spotted. Thanks, Chris. Cameraman and professional fish spotter. Oh yeah! You basically caught your biggest fish of the year 5 minutes ago, but before that you always blank, so I don't know where you get that. When last did you catch a fish before these couple of carp?
Well, when last did you allow me to actually fish and not film also?
Well, you've got a job to do.
What's your job? Fishing?
Trying to catch fish, but I'm struggling because I'm fishing with you. It's actually a very dysfunctional relationship, this. There's a carp feeding right behind you. Slap him on his bum. Boom. On his arse, you hear that? Good twang on his little poople. Fish obviously have a poople because they have to, what they eat must come out somewhere. You can't run an engine without an exhaust, bro. That's mechanics 101. There's a nice fish swimming around here. It's like probably 6 pounds or 8 pounds. Nice fish. Yes. Now this is a better fish, bro. Yes, please. I'm so happy with that carp. Please, that makes me happy. Such an underrated fish. Such an underrated fish. Awesome, look at that tail. I'm very happy. Thanks, bud.